Hey everyone, I'm Tiffany Rosenbaum and I'm a full-time mommy, part-time YouTuber, and today I'm actually going to be filming a video at my local bin store. It is called Liquidation Bin Store, and I'm going to show you guys inside. I'm going to show you a little bit what it's like, what the bins are, and this is located in Portage, Indiana. So if you turn and I see here, this is what it looks like on the outside. Today is $15 day. Everything in the store is $15 a piece. So that right there is what it looks like if you're coming in to the little store alley here. And so it is right here. 2544 is the address. Okay, this is Sylvia and she is the owner, and she's gonna tell you a little bit about how the bin store works and the prices that she offers. So the prices are up here along the wall. Can you explain how it goes?
So we start out with $7 day on Fridays. We restock the whole entire bins. It's a variety of anything between Amazon Mix, Bed Bath & Beyond. We've had Dollar General, JCPenney, a little bit of everything out here. And it's a big variety of stuff. And then whatever doesn't sell on Friday stays in the bin till Saturday and goes down to $5 an item. Anything that doesn't sell on Saturday goes to $3 Monday, and we also restock on $3 day. So again, you'll find a bunch more stuff. Tuesday goes down to $2, and then we have our Dollar Wednesday, which is our biggest day, and you will see a line if you're new out the door. And everything goes down to $1. After that, everything gets boxed up and then restarted again on Friday. We have 3 specials of the month this month. One's $15 day, as you can see in the bins today. That's today. We have a $10 day, which will be again big items, and we restock in the middle of the day and reopen. And then we have a 50-cent day, and that's just kind of a little bit of everything. We restock throughout the day and fill bins. Generally, we only do 2 of them, and they're usually on the days that we are not open, so that would be Thursdays.
Do you ever do fill-a-bags?
Oh, yeah. So most of the time, if you're friends on Facebook, I try to do a Facebook pop-up. I do a lot of different things like that. We do fill-a-bag usually for $22. So this is the bag you'd get, and it's $22. You fill it all the way up to the top, and you take it home, and you keep the bag and everything in it. We do Facebook pop-ups quite often. I try to put a lot of different specials on the Facebook page, a lot of different things for our friends and followers to try to come out. We've had fill-a-box for 15 bucks, mystery boxes for 15 bucks, just a lot of different things to get people going for reselling, or just if you want it.
What is the name of your Facebook page? And we will post a link of it in the description too, but can you tell them the name?
The name is Liquidation Bin Store. There's also a business page, and then there's like a personal page that we post on generally every day.
Okay, so again, that'll be linked in the description. Can you tell them what forms of payment you take?
We take Visa, MasterCard, and pretty much any kind of credit card. We take Google, Apple, and Samsung Pay, and they now just released Cash App Pay.
Ooh. So tell us a little bit on how you got started with the bin store, and how long you guys have been around, and just a little bit about your past with making you want to open something like this.
So I'm pretty much, as they say, a go-getter. I've been in store management for 4 years. Before that, and during that, I owned my own company of hauling trucks, and I would haul campers. So I ended up driving about 4 hours to go get a pallet, and I ended up reselling, and I was like, this is a little too much for me because I have 4 kids, but I said I could just open a store with this. And within 2 months of buying that pallet, I just opened up a store.
Wow.
So we've been here since July of this year, 2021. And so far, so good. We've been getting new people in all the time. We're hoping to expand in a few locations, and those will also be posted on Facebook once they do come available.
What's your favorite part of being a bin store owner?
I like seeing what people get, because all we do is literally just dump the box. So sometimes on $7 day, you'll see something not worth $7. Obviously that just stays in the bin till, I don't know, $2 day, $1 day. But I mean, I've seen all sorts of things. Someone's gotten, a silver platter from Bed Bath & Beyond that was $400 for $7. Then there's people that's gotten Apple products on Dollar Day and have resold them for like $300. I have quite a few resellers, but that also makes like a good point. Like if they're getting it cheap, they can make money to stay at home and stuff like that. Another product that someone got on Dollar Day was a like computer chip. It was actually worth $1,800, and he comes in here all the time searching for it. And I mean, he just started here about a month ago coming through here, and he said so far that was his biggest haul. That's what he said. He's like, this is my biggest haul. And of course, if you don't know what it is, you're not going to know it's worth that unless, you know, you take your time to look at it. Me, I didn't know. I mean, I'm not going to know sometimes I'll try to look up and be like, whoa, or something, but you know, a lot of the resellers do know what they're doing. A lot of other people just come in here to look for, you know, what they could use. I mean, whether it could be anything from clothing to food to, you know, small appliances, stuff like that.
Okay, so how do you decide what you save for $15 day and what will generally like go for $7 day, since you have that big chip that was on $7 day? Is it just the size of the items?
Generally, I order a different truckload. So
okay.
I order semi-loads, and I order bigger products for $15 day, and I order big containers full for $7 day.
Gotcha.
I mean, it really depends what comes on the semi. I don't know.
Okay.
Like, if you ask me if there's a certain thing, I don't know what will be in the store.
Okay.
Like I said, we do order semis. People have bought in pallets from us, but they're going to be a lot of the bigger item pallets, or something we completely don't sell here, like Home Depot.
So today's $15 day, and this is a lot of what you'll see. They're big ticket items. $15 day is typically once a month, and she's giving out tickets right now for people waiting in line. So we've got some memory foam, mattresses, some large Bankers boxes. A lot of the things are still in boxes. They're new or slightly used, so you get some items. These are, I think, COVID tests. I'm not sure. I think those are COVID tests. We've got some stuff down here. All the stuff is liquidation, so some of it may have been previously opened. Got all the bins along here. Some Amazon boxes. Some of it might be a little bit mystery. You don't know what's in it. Got a dog outdoor home. And behind here, she has more items. Typically, we have the clothes hanging. So, some gallon totes. Got more items along this wall. So this is what you see on $15 day, bigger items, and on the lower dollar items, you'll see the bins filled with items, Car seat. Some coffee. Mattress topper, a bunch of the at-home COVID tests. So everything on $15 day, it's going to be different every day. It's never going to be the same items. So it's a thrill of the hunt kind of thing. Here is a Fisher-Price bouncer. This looks like a bookshelf. Some toilet paper. It's just a wide variety. How awesome is this business? I absolutely love it. So again, the address is 25 44 Portage Mall in Portage, Indiana. If you guys thought this video was interesting, please, please, please go check out her store. Sylvia and her husband are so sweet and they are very welcoming and they would love to have you. And we'll be featuring her and her business some more on our channel in the future. So if you liked this video and you like her store, go ahead and turn on the notifications and subscribe so you can see the other content that we post in the future. With her business, she's got some exciting news and exciting adventures coming up in the future, and I'm sure she would love to share them with you guys. See the links in the description for her Facebook group so you can be updated daily and weekly when they have their sales and their bonus deals and their fill-a-bag sales. If you like this video and you like what you see and you think maybe you want to learn how to resell some of the things that you find in her store or things like the things in her store, go ahead and follow this YouTube channel. I teach all things about reselling, about how to find inventory, as well as shipping and just generalized business tips, and I would love to help you out. And we will see you next time. Bye.